Hello everyone, welcome to Reservations. We do on project football field booking app. My name is Kanpun. I am a Scrum Master.
My name is Imran. I am a developer.
My name is Annette. I am a QA and developer. I'm Indra. I am a developer and QA.
My name is Leon. I am a developer.
Hello, Imran. Hello. What are you doing now?
I'm review some lesson that I learned from yesterday.
Do you have only class in this weekend?
Oh no, this weekend I don't have any class. So
Yes, for me, how I want to play football, but I don't have anything to play with me. So uh, do you have team to play with me?
I think we could play together.
Wow, great. So do you know this field that near our location?
Oh yes, I know one field near here. So and I also have the phone number.
So great. Can you call the number now?
Okay, let me call. Your field available today?
Let me tell you this. Sorry, Mr. Imran. Our field not available. Can you book this again in the weekend?
Okay, thank Miss Mitchell. We want to play today. If you don't have the field, I will find another field. Thank you.
So if field not available, we should find another one.
Yeah, because I know another field. Let me call them.
Hello, did you find available field for play?
No, I didn't. I tried to call the field, but they didn't pick up. And also, I searched on Google, but still show only the another country field. So the answer is reverse. How can you play it? I don't know.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for a field that I can play in this afternoon, or I can pick any field that available.
So, you are a football player?
Yeah.
Yes, I have a app for you. This is the Anajak platform that help you to booking for play football.
Can I try it now?
Yes, of course you can use it. It's easy to book it.
I can try it on phone.
Yes, on phone, on tablet also.
How many rows is there?
Row in the platform have 5 rows. The first row is the guest. After that, if you want to be player, you need to register. And then if you want to be a fair owner, you upgrade for pay money. Or if you want to be captain, you can pay money also, and captain can manage your team.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello guys.
Hello.
How are you? Good. Yeah, I'm fine also. I saw you use our app, football field booking app, to book beer and play together with your team. So today, I would know your feeling and your recommendation for the player. So let's go.
For me, before I use I really have to try the field, and all the field are really expensive. But after I use the app, I can find and book really easy, and I can book anytime, anywhere I want, and I can enjoy with my friend more.
Okay, thank you. So what about you?
Not app that increase my time for the film. I also become a myself to film or capital. And Another side also have all players easy, and I would like to recommend all players to play Another side.
So, Anachapnum Fly is a very helpful platform for users. You can find available teams and field so that you can join the team. As a captain, you can book a field, create a team, and invite your teammates to play with your team. And as a field owner, you can list down all the field that you have, set the price, and then you can get in honestly with your platform. And this platform can include many important features such as
research feature, recording feature, fixing feature, and one more thing about the pricing feature. Fet- feature management, working system feature, and user feature.
so. If you want to get access to our platform, just click the link below. Thank you.